At the very end of this all, if you are not okay with what you've learned regarding managing LinkedIn pages for businesses and brands, it could be your personal brand, but it's just about companies pages, and you want to learn more about LinkedIn, come to bilatech.com. This is a free platform for you to learn. So come to bilatech.com, and I want you to search for LinkedIn marketing. Yes, search for LinkedIn marketing, so you could learn all the strategies you need to learn regarding this is LinkedIn marketing for beginners and professional. So this would allow you, or this would enable you to learn all the strategies you need to know for personal pages, for how to optimize your LinkedIn page, how to make money from LinkedIn, and it talks about companies pages as well. But basically, this is going to actually amplify the knowledge you've gained so far. So you could come here to take this course for free to learn more about LinkedIn marketing. So all you have to do is to start, and you get to register on this website. Then you log in. It's just for free. You don't have to pay anything. Then you learn everything you need to know about LinkedIn marketing, no matter who you are. As long as you want to optimize your LinkedIn page, you want to make money on LinkedIn, you want to freelance on LinkedIn, this is the best course for you on how to optimize your LinkedIn page, both personal page and company's page. So for now, we are done with what we want to do with the company's page here, and this has been a quite a journey. So you can actually apply these strategies to companies pages, your personal brand pages, and see how it goes for you. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.